Welcome to Smart Tutorials. In this video we are going to discuss 5 markers important question of Fundamental of Human Geography book. So let's start with the video. Before starting, please subscribe our channel and like, share and comment if you like our video. So let's start with the video. So the first question is that you can see that what is human development and mention its approaches. Human development refers to the enlargement of people choices according to Mahbub ul Haq, and it approaches are income approach, basic need approach, welfare approach, and capability approach. For more detail of approach, you can watch our previous video. Okay, so next question is differentiate between nomadic herding and commercial livestock rearing. Nomadic herding refers to primitive type of rearing of animals, and commercial known as modern type of rearing, that is capital intensive as well as labor intensive. In commercial livestock rearing, more focusing on breeding and healthcare of the animals, and the animals are kept in parcels so that they can graze that area. After grazing they can be shifted to another. But in nomadic herding, the the livestock has to be carried by the persons to the mountains or to the hills for grazing. Okay, let's move on to the next question, that is question number third. Define sustainable subsistence agriculture and differentiate between primitive subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. Okay, so this type of agriculture is mainly done for survival, not for commercial activity. In this primitive type of agriculture, stick, hose, and other materials are used for farming. But in intensive, some type of modern tools and techniques are used. In the primitive type of agriculture is also known as slash and burn agriculture or shifting agriculture. And in intensive type of agriculture, that is labor intensive, family members do this work. Okay, so let's move on to the another question, that is describe the factors that are responsible for industrial location. So there are various factors such as markets, raw material, availability of transport, government policies, and electricity, agglomeration of economies. Okay, so question number fifth, that is explain the Trans-Siberian Railway. Trans-Siberian Railway is the largest double-tracked electrified railway in Russia. Okay, that has been moving from St. Petersburg in the west to the Vladivostok in the east. Okay, so important first station is Irkutsk, and it is very beneficial for the economies of Asia as it connects Europe from Asia. Okay, and important points are Ulaanbaatar, Tashkent, and Mongolia, parts of Mongolia, etc. etc. So the next question is write a short note on Suez Canal. You are noticing that this question is in or with Panama Canal. Yes, that's right. The Panama Canal and Suez Canal can be come in choice also in another sets. Okay, so Suez Canal is the canal in the Egypt area, and Panama Canal is in the southern part of America. Okay, South America. So the Suez Canal has terminal stations of Port Said and Port Suez. Okay, and Panama Canal has Port Port Colon in the south and Port Panama City in the north. Okay, so you can refer to your book for detailed explanation of these two canals, and you should know about their diagram also. It can be come in 3 markers also, as the diagram may be given and some points are marked, and you have to mention what are these points. So please consider the book for diagrams of these two canals. Okay, this may come in 3 marks also. So the next question is why does international trade exist? So or this question may be come in that way, that basis of international trade, and why do we need international trade? Yeah, benefits of international trade. So the answer is that there is difference in national resources. Okay, there is difference in national resources such as geological structure, mineral availability, climate. Second, the population size, as the size of population is different in every country. Cultural factors also affect that. Iran is famous for carpets, China is famous for its silk, etc. And such as standard of living. Some people consume high luxurious good as they have high standard of living. So there will be demand for luxurious good in the market and vice versa. And next is the economy, stages of economy. If an agrarian economy is like a country like Africa, if there is a agrarian economy in African countries, then they will supply agriculture goods or perishable goods. Or if the China like economy, that is industrial economy, then it will supply industrial goods. Okay, so there will be trade of that goods only. So this lead to international trade. And next point is transportation. Better transportation means better trade and vice versa. Next is the investment, the level of investment. If there will be a more investment in a country, then the country will be able to develop its ports and harbors, so that the international trade can be boosted. Okay, and vice versa also. So the next question, describe the factors affecting the rural settlement. This is the very important question of this book. The factors are land, uplands, water availability, uh, plant settlements, okay, etc. And the next question we should proceed. Uh, that is question 9. Mention the factor responsible for population density in the world. So there are many criteria such as availability of water, soil, climate, etc. And economic factors such as industrialization, urbanization, and minerals. And socio-cultural factors also affect the population density in the world, as some areas are not having good climate and good industrial facilities, but the society and culture is very good, that attracts the person to make this area densely populated. That's for all today. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos, and comment also on which topic you want the next video. And all the best for your exam. Thanks for watching. Once again, thanks for watching and subscribe our channel. And please go through our previous videos, that may be beneficial for your both points of view. Okay, so #Smartians.